Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit a passport's photo or photo editing for passport in PicsArt mobile. So before we start, the passport photo requirement might be different in every country, but in mine, so the size of a passport photo is 35 times 45 millimeter, and it should be in color and have a plain white background and be taken recently. So you need to update your photos if you don't have one or the recent photo one. So in here, let's just open the PicsArt apps. Actually, you can just take a photo before you edit it. So you need to make sure that your photo is in color, and then you are using the right outfit and then the right requirements. So let's just start. Let's just click on the plus icon. Then here I'm going to just scroll down on the create page on PicsArt and find the color backgrounds and just use a white color since this is the requirement on my country. And before you start editing the photo, you need to change the canvas. So here, let's just go to tools and then click on resize. And in here, you can just resize the image. So on my country and or in the width and height, the photo should be 827 times 1063 pixels, or in centimeters 3.5 times 4.5 centimeters. Okay, so I've already resized the canvas. Now we can just add your photos that you've taken before. So just find the add photo button in here. Then choose the photos that you take. Okay, so as an example, I'm going to just use this photos right here. Tap on add. And in here, you can just choose to cut out. To remove the background, I'm going to just go with person, and now it's already outlined. You can just click on a check icon. Now just fit the photos into the frame, just like this. Okay, it's perfect. Now if you want to, you can also edit it, like edit the color and everything, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now you can just tap on this arrow down to save the photo. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.